We got AaronTuned all the way in the Bahamas right now. What's going on, gang? Welcome back to the next video. As you read the title today, we could be doing some dyno stuff with my boy Rods, who bought the Supercharger from me. We're riding with Ted right now. Normal. We gotta go do some quick fixes to Rod's car right quick before we go on the dyno. We can hit y'all when we reach there. Check it out. Hey, buddy. The bolt right there. The bolt snapped in there, so now we got it extracted out, and we're gonna go put a new bolt inside of it, so we could go on the dyno and blow up. What I forgot to tell you guys is that, so my boy Rods is currently picking up his tuner, because his tuner actually came in on a cruise, and so we linking up with him to go to the dyno. So we're gonna be in person in the Bahamas tuning his car. All in all, what I'm trying to show you is you can blow up.
Well, the car just be parked up again.
Alright, so right now we getting our way onto the tracks. You could be watching this video and say, no, he ain't just hit a hole. I'm like, God, dog. It is what it is, though. I'm gonna put the flash app on my phone so I could like monitor his cooling temperatures, because I don't trust his radiator. We've been suspicious about his radiator for a while. Like, I'm pretty sure his radiator have like a leak, probably. I don't know. Cooling temperature 224.
Oh, that's hot. That's hot.
Yeah, so cooling temperature went to 238. The hot light started flashing. That is way too high. We just want to get this dyno session over with, dog. I ain't even gonna lie. So right now we out here, side of the road. This is going on. Dad just pulled up over there. We don't even know who yard this is. Alright, so we on the road right now. The cooling temp is seeming to stay at like 203. It looks like it's maintaining. Ted did a little 1-2 boogaloo. So your boy knows how to drive a car that's overheating. Oh, the camera dropped. Mr. Dennis.
You said, wait, you getting this mic and thing?
You ain't know?
Oh, no.
Junior.
Oh, Lord.
I'm trying to make sure that the defibrillator quantum refrigerator says what you can eat. Alright, let me show them the name right quick. AaronTuned. We got AaronTuned all the way in the Bahamas right now on vacation, supposedly.
I guess.
Yeah, so we getting into the day. You better go finish up this tune because you already started it.
I've been remote tuning the car for a while. It was on motor. Now dropped the blower on it. We had some fuel pressure issues remotely. Just so happens that I was going to be here on my vacation and the fuel pressure issues are fixed. So let's see what she does now, you know?
Right. Put down at least 600 horsepower, you know?
That's a lot, but let's see. I don't know. I mean, supposedly the dyno reads low, like 20 or 30. So I don't know, maybe like 320, 300, around there. It depends, you know? As long as we had a weird issue around 7,000 where the boost kind of fell on its face, so we're kind of limited, but let's see.
Alright then, gang, we got AaronTuned inside the building. We're gonna see how it goes today. I put his page right there in the video. So this is our outside dyno in the Bahamas. Apparently it's not that common in the world. Usually, you know, it's indoor dynos. Nah, we do it outside, no shade, nothing. This is going on. That's like the little dyno office right there. That's what I like to call it. And we got the dyno right there inside the floor. And this is how we do it. And then that's our track right behind it. That's our 8th mile track right over there behind it. So it's like right after you get tuned, you just go in there. Look at Aaron, but Aaron looking at it, what type of track this is right here, bro. He's in like he backyard right now. Look, he about to go inspect the prep. He ain't got no grip at all right now. Hold on, man. Aaron, I need to hear it right quick from you. How are track conditions seem compared to like in the States?
It's like a no prep event.
No prep.
Yeah. I was expecting a little bit more stick, but
Ain't no stick, bro.
that's like no prep.
Huh?
That's like no prep.
No, that's how we ride.
Yeah.
The prep for the soft people. You gotta be ready. We see the real tune there. See you can put it down on glass.
Kung Fu.
They go and they can. The boy go 4s on that.
Yeah,
That's 5s on that.
that's crazy.
It's the only track around.
Yeah, we only have one. Yeah, we don't have that prep like we have in the US.
Yeah, we got boys down. No on the cheap.
You push up with this mic.
On the cheap. Hey. Got a K-swap. I don't even know what this chassis called. What these chassis called with Junior? These EG, right? EG is before the. Is it EK?
Sorry.
Maybe you just call this the E. I know E something. So what's your obsession with green is?
New green, honest, outside green.
SI green.
Yeah.
All right, then.
What turbo?
2582.
What back housing is it though? 8.82.
72.
What motor is it?
K2482. So I on the only thing when you're doing it, I can't get a limit over 7.5 because I on stock pump.
Oh no, I wouldn't put it down.
Yeah, this one stock motor.
What ECU?
On data.
V4?
Yeah.
No problem.
So axle broke while on the dyno. A lot of unexpected things happen on the dyno, but the axle breaking is crazy. So right now, yeah, he gonna have to cut his tuning assessment short. Alright gang, appreciate y'all for watching. That's about it. We back right now at the house. You straight? You satisfied? You good?
Good, happy? Nah, it's stressful most of the day.
Yeah, process. Yeah, I about to go.
I tell you, I hear a carrot.
I can deal with this. I can link you all later.